How to find the angle sum of any polygon. I have this friend named Nina. I want to make something for her birthday, so I decide to make two blankets, one that's a pentagon and one that's a decagon. To know how much material I would need, I would have to know the angle sum of these shapes. Gladly, I know that the angles of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. And since the pentagon is regular, that means all the angles are the same, 108 degrees. There are three ways to find the angle sum of a polygon. The first way is to times the amount of the angle by the number of sides. The second way is to minus the number of sides by 2, then times that by 180. The third way is to times the number of sides by 180, then minus that by 360. As an example for the three ways of finding the angle sum, I will show you two of them by using the pentagon. Now let's focus on number 1. 108 times the number of sides would become 108 times 5, because we know that a pentagon has 5 sides. And 108 times 5 equals 540, which would mean 540 is the angle sum of a pentagon. Now we'll focus on way 2 of finding the angle sum of a polygon.
And minus 2 stands for 5 minus 2, which means we can change that whole part to 3. And now it changes the equation to 3 times 180, which also equals 540.
And makes the angle sum also 540. Now for the last shape, the decagon, and the last way to find the angle sum of polygons, way 3. N times 180, or 10 times 180, which would equal 1,800. And the equation becomes 1,800 minus 360, what gives you 1,440. And that would make the angle sum 1,440. Now that we know the angle sums of 540 and 1,440, I can make those blankets. Fun fact, irregular and regular pentagons will have the same interior angle sum.